So I'm planning on stealing some food and making some breakfast for myself, which is gonna be really tasty. Here we go. Oh, welcome to my crib. Let's do this.
Bro, we're lazy.
All right, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Gotta stay quiet, gotta stay quiet.
That's so fun. This is good work.
This is definitely everyone's room.
Good work.
I'm realizing if they see me with this ski mask, they'll probably think they're getting robbed. I can hear something down the hallway. Alright, I think everyone's asleep. I'm gonna loot their fridge. I think I'm gonna leave this giant camera here. It's too sus, bro. It's too sus.
They put subwoofers or... By the way, you probably did. They sounded so accurate. It sounded... Oh, like, you know, I'm ready to party. I'll get you to that.
Alright, here we go. Frick. What was that? I'm gonna check my cameras.
After what felt like an eternity of waiting, the boys finally left the kitchen.
It looks clear. Okay, here we go. I think we're clear. Oh my gosh. I'm so hungry. What is this? Beef? Oh, this is the freezer. Please be our fridge. Oh my gosh. Thank God. Yes, 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 yes. Bro has half-eaten pancakes in here. So good.